This is the retail box. Retail for $190. Of course, you're gonna have the common plastic wrapper. Here's the sneakers. All right. Here's the sneakers. You have your number 7 with the 23 on the back. You have your Jumpman shoelace caps, as you can see. These are some dope ass shoes, man. All right, these sneakers were originally worn by former NBA legend Ray Allen back in 2002. Jordan decided to commemorate the 23rd anniversary of Ray Allen being drafted in the NBA with this special colorway that symbolized the Milwaukee Bucks. Shoes features a black upper, more like a nubuck material, very smooth. As the purple Jumpman, as you can see here on the sides. Purple Jumpman logo on the side. You have your black midsole with your purple, gray, and green accents. And that's green. The lighting really doesn't pick up. Then you have the Jumpman logo. Yeah, you can see the green. Unlike many Jordans, these colorways stands out. I read a lot of reviews online. People are saying that the qualities of these remastered J's are definitely nice and superior. These shoes are super comfortable, high quality, very stylish. Both on the sneakers, the tongues are different, as you can see in comparison. The patterns are very different. This has green, purple, and gray. In the inside of the shoes, you have the Ray Allen logo signature on the inside. If you haven't picked these up, man, go ahead and get these, man. Thank you for watching. Please like, rate, and subscribe to my channel for more shoes contents.